Hello everyone, today we will discuss about Dockerfile parameters. It's a hands-on lab and I will also discuss about the package manager, Docker image environment, argument, Dockerfile steps like from, work directory, run, copy, CMD and entry point. Hands-on lab, this is based on the content Tomcat container, right? So let's start. We do not need to waste the time, right? And okay, so that is my Docker version. So let me 27.5.1 VIM Dockerfile. So this is the from base image is the Slim. So if you would like to know more about the Slim, Alpine and normal images, I have already created one video, so you can go through first video. Okay, Docker and image introduction. This is a work directory user local of Tomcat. This is the argument I have set it. I will show you after creation running container run. I am just going to install this. Copy these two. Copy is basically copy from host to inside the container. Expose port. This Tomcat will execute on 8080, and we are going to expose this 8080 port from the container itself. Entry point. This is entry point, and this is the CMD, and this is the environment variable. We have set it down. This one itself as a name of this, right? If you would like to know env and cmd entry point how to override, so I have created separate video for that, so you may go through this one as well, right? I hope you have idea about some argument and all these things. So I'm just going to create this so I'm just going to build this Docker image, Docker build -t, and this is the image name, right? And with tag -Dockerfile -no cache, because I have already created, so I will show you the steps, what steps is coming, right? So this is executing this, right? Net tools. This is copying sample var, okay? That is the step, and these apt-get, this is the installations and all, right? Hope you have these things, right? And apart from that is build Docker images is a command. We can, this is the T9 latest, it's 1 second ago, right? Now we have to execute we would like to run this container using this command. So I have already executed earlier. So this is the 9. This is Docker run -itt. It's a detached mode -name run computer. Port is this and image is this, right? So let's run it. Docker ps-a. This is the container ID, image, bin, ss, cmd and entry point in the Docker file which I showed you. This is the port I have given, and this is the name of the container, right? Now if you would like to log in inside this container, so we do have one more command, docker exec-it, and this is the container ID we are going to log in inside this. We can directly write bash and either bash or /bin bash, both will work, right? So inside the container we do have, right? This is the container ID, right? And this is the default work directory path that is coming, right? That's the ID which user is coming. By default it is user default, and this is the Slim image. So ldd -version will work with the glib, right? So this is a glib directory, but if you are running any C++ functions, your application being used, so it will work. Apart from that, and environment variable, so let me show you environment variable which we set, right? This is a website version. Argument will not come because argument only build part, okay? That's why I assigned argument value inside the environment variable, okay? Make sure these two things, right? To last package manager, because it's a slim type of the image, right? Docker image is 4 types. I have already explained in the first video, so you may go through inside the Docker playlist, okay? And if I'm saying apk -version, so that is not a Alpine image. apt -version, so that is Slim image, Docker Ubuntu type of. DNF also we do have one VoIP version. So this is not a CentOS and all these type of image, right? So if you would like more into this deep dive in production issues like inside the Tomcat, so let me show you.